Today's recipe takes me back many years to my first visit to Montreal and a dish I enjoyed in a restaurant in the Old City. It's the classic Coquille St, and the star of this dish is scallops. Now I've sautéed about 8 ounces of mushrooms with shallots and butter in a pan until they almost resemble a paste, and now I will add in some minced parsley and minced tarragon. And once I've incorporated that, I'll come over and divide the mixture evenly among gratin dishes, or if you have scallop shells, you can use those as well. Now in the same pan, I will add 3/4 of a cup of vermouth, 3/4 of a cup of hot water, some more shallots, a bay leaf, and some salt, and I'll bring it to a boil, then add the scallops and cook them until they're just tender. Now I took the scallops out and put them in the gratin dishes over the mushrooms, and now in the same pan I boiled down that liquid to about a half a cup and then strained it. And now in a roux that I just made, I'll add back the strained liquid along with a half a cup of cream, and we'll thicken up that sauce. Then add some freshly squeezed lemon juice and some shredded Gruyere cheese, which I will then pour over the scallops and then put under the broiler and cook them until they're bubbly and golden brown. This fantastic appetizer can be yours by writing to me here at the station or log onto the website and look for the Kitchen Guy icon. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. See you next time.